I want to go right into it. It is, as said last time, the Kaaba is supposed to be, according to the Islamic narrative, a very greatly important place that matters locally and even globally. It is some place that Abraham called the world to. People came from very distant passes, which is why, for a reason, we learn in Muslim tradition and history that Mecca was supposedly a big, large, important center of trade and of religious worship and all that. So what we would expect, therefore, is to find some historical evidence to that. We would expect to find the name of the Kaaba or the name of Mecca play a role in history, in regional history, in global history. We also have something else, which is we have some reports apparently of descriptions of the regions of Arabia, and what we apparently have is that there is a place that people go to worship. But, you know, that's all we have. And some people actually try to bring that up to say, well, this is obviously referring to Mecca, but how do we get to that conclusion?
Exactly.
I mean, there can be so many places that may be referred to as places of worship in Arabia. And we even have cubes in different regions. For example, in Iran, we still have a cube that is standing today, which is known as the Kaaba of Zarathustra, which is also in shape quite similar to the Kaaba. It is a cube that was dedicated to Zoroaster in the Zoroastrian religion before Islam in Iran. So we have this practice of such temples, of such cubes throughout these regions, which is why a description of a place of worship, even if it was found in old sources, could be referring to any temple there. One final thing that I want to add before we wrap this up, which is we obviously have the history of the Roman Empire and the Persian empires, which fought really hard to gain control over these regions and to take control of anything that is significant in the region. The Romans came down to Arabia, and the Romans never went further than Hegra, which was the last significant place to them which they could take control over. We have the borders end right there. They would only have to go a little bit more to the south to take control of Mecca, but they never did. Why? But the Romans would take anything. Well, because there was nothing of significance down there to take.
That's right.